In this video, let me show you how to open a Merchant Trade Money account. Now, this is a quite simple process. In order to sign up to the Merchant Trade Money, you just need to download the application, and once it has been downloaded, simply head over to the sign up option. Now, to get started, you'll need to fill in all of your information, such as your full name, which needs to be matched with the ID that you're going to provide, your phone number, the email address, your nationality, your mother's maiden name, and if you have any sort of promo codes, you can also add that in. As I said, you need to add in your name exactly as your ID, which could be the NRIC, your permanent resident card, or the official passport that you might need to submit. So simply tap on continue. In the next step, it is going to send you a OTP on the mobile number that you added in. And once you have added in the OTP and have submitted your documents, your account of Merchant Trade should be created. So this is the exact steps that you can follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.